Hey, happy holidays everyone. This is Mike from altcoinTradingSignal.com. It is December 12th and what we're going to do today is take a look at Bitcoin. So in this video I'll be going over two different things. Number one, I'm going to be going over these buy and sell signals that my custom trading script is sending me. And number two, I'm going to be doing some personal technical analysis of Bitcoin along with proof my predictions have been accurate so far. Alright, so I know you don't have time to watch YouTube videos all day, so let's go ahead and jump right into this. So over the past year, I've worked on a custom trading script that issues these different buy and sell signals. And these signals are determined by the script. It basically measures different trading indicators and it makes these decisions based on the change in market trend. It basically looks for various trading indicators to align and then it gives either the buy or the sell signal. Now because it measures the change in trend, when it's trading sideways like this, it doesn't always make the best decisions. And that's because there's always a battle between the bulls and the bears, so we're not really quite sure which way the market is going to go. But when there's a definitive trend, like we're seeing right here, that's when it actually makes the best decisions. Now before I get into how much better this is than just buying and holding, first let me bring in my Bittrex account so you can see I'm making these trades as soon as these indicators were given. So let me bring in another tab, 1 second. Alright, as you can see I'm on Bittrex. And I'm looking at my recent order page. Now we're going to go back to TradingView where the signal was issued. As you can see, the sell order here. And when I put my crosshair over here, look down at the very bottom, it says the date. As you could see, it says December 3rd. But if you look back over on Bittrex, this transaction took place hour 2300, so it was basically the next day. One of these could be on East Coast, one of them could be on West Coast, so that's why you see the time difference. Now let's take a look at the next one, December 1st, December 1st, November 30th, November 30th, November 28th, November 28th, November 14th, November 14th. So that's just some quick proof I'm actually making these trades. Now I'm going to show you what would have happened to your portfolio if you would have used these trading signals versus just buying and holding. First let me zoom in over here. We'll calculate these trades. Okay, so remember how I mentioned these trade signals don't really work good when it's trading sideways? Well, as you can see here, we took two small losses. Everyone can't be a winner. So 5% and 5.69%. So that's two losing trades we had here. But now let's take a look at what would have happened if you would have not have sold at all. That's 45%. So would you have rather lost 10%, these two down here, or 45% of your portfolio? So in this situation we're seeing right here, my trade signals performed 4 times better than if you were just to have bought and held. Now if you're interested in receiving signals like this is a service I actually offer on my website. And basically what happens is you become a member and I start forwarding you these trade signals that my script is giving me. So I'll be forwarding you the exact trade signals that I'll be making myself the exact second I make them myself. And I actually have this integrated with the trading bot. So what happens is when I get these buy and sell signals, the trading bot will read that and automatically make the trade for me so that I don't have to be at the computer every time to make these buy and sell trades. And what's nice about my service is if you were to get that same trading bot, you could do the same thing. I'd basically be forwarding you the trade signal to your trading bot, and then your trading bot will sign on to your exchange and then make the trade for you. If you need some more information about trading scripts or trading bots or these custom scripts, just take a look at my website. I got some more information over there. Now before I continue, I really appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, because without this user feedback it's hard for me to gauge if people actually want to see this type of content. So if you can, just please let me know in the comments if you like this type of video or not. Okay, now let's do a little bit of personal technical analysis. So right now, even though I'm making my trades based on these signals that are sent to me, I also like to do personal technical analysis, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. So what we're looking at here is Bitcoin on the one-day chart, and last video I predicted we're going to be going back down to this dotted line level. And for just some proof, I'm bringing up my video I posted on DTube on November 27th. Just going to play a quick excerpt from that. So looking back at this, with it being this oversold, I do think we're going to get a nice pop-up, probably up to this bar right here, to this resistance line, and then we're going to break back down to the second one. Now that's just some... So in that video you just saw, that was basically right around here, basically at the end of this big red line. And in the video I mentioned we're going to be getting some nice pop and then go back down again. The pop was a lot smaller than I thought. It was only a very small upward move, but as you can see, we already broke back down and we're on our way towards this dotted line right here. Now doing a quick reverse Fibonacci retracement on one of these last small market cycles, you could see we're currently right on this red line. So there is a possibility this could actually be the bottom. So with that being said, I would say this zone right here is going to be your buy zone. And that's based on this Fibonacci level and also the previous resistance we had over here. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines, now I would start your accumulation phase. I wouldn't buy in all at once because there is a possibility we're going to be going down just a little bit further from our current price. So that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I do believe we're almost out of this bear market, even though we keep going lower and lower. We have 2019 around the corner, and we have backed opening up, I believe, the beginning of January. They just keep on postponing it. But I believe they're going to be a nice catalyst to our next bull run, so I really look forward to that. And yeah, that's about it. Until next time. Bye, everyone.